everybody and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'm just going to crack on with all the housework, and then tonight we're taking Harlow to her very first firework display. Are you excited? So I'm just going to show you today a few things that me and Harlow get up to while Daddy's at work. Is Daddy at work? So Harlow's having a little bounce at the minute, and we're going to have some pears. We have some pears for dinner. Just going to give her a little snack. So I will be back in a second when she's in a high chair. So for Harlow's snack, she's having some pears. She looks so small in this high chair. She's strapped in, so she's all safe. Harlow, look at your messy hair. Look at your messy hair. Messy hair. Sit up. Right, let's put your bib. Where's your bib gone? Mind this bib, it's quite stained, to be honest. Oh, sorry about that. There we go. Oh dear. Right. Are you having some pears? Look. What's Mummy got? There we go. Is that nice? So make sure you can see. So now Harlow's reached the age of 6 months. We're slowly trying to wean her. Most people go straight onto solids, but I'm not quite ready to do that with Harlow. So we'll just give her a few of these, like, I'm not sure how you say it. Is it pure? Pure? I don't know. But yeah, they're like the smooth stuff, because I'm not ready to do that yet. Can anyone give me any tips, like, on weaning and stuff? Because I'm quite nervous about it, like, if she chokes and stuff. Like, is there any pages or anything that I can look at? Where are we going tonight? We're going to see them fireworks. So Harlow's just eating some of this pears. She has just had some milk, so I tend to always give her milk before I give her food, because they should all be having milk up until the age of 1. That's the main source of, like, nutrients, so nutrition. I don't know. I don't even know, but yeah, I know what I mean. So. Are you talking? What are you saying? What are you saying? What are you saying to me? I'm waiting for Daddy to come home. So I am quite nervous for tonight, because I don't know how Harlow's going to be with the fireworks and stuff. But we'll just trial and error, to be honest. See how it goes. She don't even like the noise of the drill though, so I am quite nervous. So this is just Harlow's little snack. In a couple of hours I'm going to give her some spaghetti bolognese, because it's your favourite, isn't it? Normally, well, I used to give her porridge in the morning, but she doesn't really like it. Like, it's too bland for her. Like, there's no taste or anything. So I give her some fruit instead. Yeah. Oh, she likes to eat the bib. This is where it gets messy. Yeah. Do you not want it? That'll do, that's fine. Let's see what Harlow's up to. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you rolling? You're such a big girl. You're such a big girl. What's this? You're such a big girl. So today I've done all the cleaning. Just gonna wait for Brett to get home from work. Gonna get a shower. Then when Brett comes home, we're going to watch a firework display, which is we'll see soon. What are you doing? Here you go. Oh, she just had a burp. She's getting where she like she wants to crawl, but she just can't do it, and she gets really frustrated with herself. You get angry, don't you? And I think she's teething as well. Oh. How are you doing? Hello. Hello. She finds this really funny. Don't chew that. So this is just like a sheet. Obviously, I don't leave her unattended with this. Obviously, over her face, I don't leave her unattended with it. But she likes to look through it, like the red colour. How are you doing? She thinks it's funny. It's actually breathable material, to be honest. Can you see me? Am I a different colour? Am I a different colour? Oh. Oh, you cheeky, 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 cheeky. Cheeky, 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 cheeky. Cheeky, 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 cheeky. So being a stay-at-home mum, like, it is hard work sometimes when you need to get things done. I tend to do things when Harlow's napping. That's my best bet, to be honest. So that's the end of our YouTube video for today. If you like the video, then please like and subscribe, and look out for our next videos. See you soon.